Stripe company is offering two chances for both 2025 and 2026 graduates. So first, let's see about the software engineering role, which is for the 2025 graduates. So that is nothing but the new graduates. So and this company is located at Bangalore, and it is a full-time job. So here is about the Stripe company and about the team. So in this software engineering role, you will be given some projects and you have to work on that project, and you should have communication with other team members. And the responsibilities for this role is, so you just have to work on the cross functional projects, and you should also collaborate with other engineers, and you should have a good meaningful feedback on the code reviews. You should have how to review the code, you should know how to review the code, and also about the technical designs. So you should have some skills how to build a project from beginning to the end, and learning about the project, and you should also have some technical leadership skills. And the minimum requirements are, you can be from the bachelor's, master's, or the PhD degree, who will be who will be graduated by 2025, or also have the work experience, and you should be familiar with the programming, and you should also have done some projects, and that can be from the Java, Ruby, JavaScript, Scala, and Go. And you should also have some programming languages, the fundamentals of the programming languages, and you should have some general knowledge. And you can also have, if you have the experience from the internships, if you have previously done some internships, you can also mention it in your resume, so you will be getting a more chances to crack this job. And you should also be familiar with the system understanding. These are the preferred qualifications. So you should have the experience in code reviews, and next, in office expectations, and next the pay and benefits. So this is all about the Stripe company. So here you can click on the role, apply for this role. So here the first you have to give the you can directly give the details from the LinkedIn. So if you have already a LinkedIn profile, so when you click on that, the LinkedIn link you have to give. So directly it will, that all details will be taken from your LinkedIn. Otherwise, if you don't have a LinkedIn, directly you can apply here manually. So here you have to give the first name and last name, then mail and phone number, and you should also give the location, and you have to upload your resume or CV. And here you have to select the school. So if your college is not present, you can keep other here. So if your school if your college is not presented here, you can keep the other option. And next, you have to give the degree here, and then discipline. So it is nothing but computer science or electrical engineering, like that. And the start date, this is the start date of your graduation. So you have to give the month and year, and end date, in which month you are graduating. If you want, you can also add the another education. So if you keep here other, if your college is not present in the given in the above mentioned list, so keep other. And if you're that college, you have to mention it here, so that they will get to know from which college you are from. And next, about your, give the preferred name and pronouns, and if you have the GitHub link or personal website or the portfolio or the LinkedIn profile, so give give all the links here. So if you provide only the LinkedIn, it's enough. And if you want to receive the messages from the WhatsApp from the Stripe company, so you can select here as. And here you have to give some brief description how you are fit for this role, how you are fit for this software engineer role at Stripe, and you should also include what the experience you are having. If you have done any previous internships, so you can also mention it here. So you should have minimum 15 to 20 points here. And next, location or the work authorization. So if you are eligible to the work in here, you can select here. And if you want any visa sponsorship or to work in the country or outside, so you can also select here yes or no. So and then after you can click on submit. So this is for the 2025 graduates. It is a job role, that is the role is software engineer. And now let's see the software engineer internship from the Stripe company for 2026 passouts. So this is a software engineer internship. So and the same location Bangalore, and the job type is intern. So it is not a remote or the work from home job. So you have to go to the Bangalore office and you have to work there. So here also they given about the team, and here what you will do for this internship. So you will also work on the real time projects. So you will be understanding, you will be getting known how to uh, get the projects, how to solve them logically, how to think. So as it is for the software engineering, so if you get a chance in this internship, so don't miss it, because this experience also you can add it in your resume. And after 2026, when you search for the job, so it will be very easy for you, because you have already added your experience and the responsibilities. If we see, so software that will be used in the production. And next, the code reviews, you should have uh, code reviews and design discussions. You should have a good communication, and you should also collaborate with the other engineers. And here the minimum requirements, so the bachelor, master's, or the PhD degree in the computer science or maths or related courses. And also you should be some familiar with the programming, so either it can be the Java, Ruby, or JavaScript, Scala, and Go. So if you have done any projects, you can also mention those in your resume. If not, you can just leave, because as it is an internship role, so you just have some experience with these 5 languages. And some other languages like Python also, Python or C++. If you have any uh, just fundamentals, if you have already known the fundamentals, you can mention it in your resume. And the next year, the preferred qualifications, at least 2 years of university education or equivalent work experience, nothing but so you should be from the 2026 graduates. So these are the preferred qualifications and in office expectations and pay and benefits. So if you want to apply, just click on this. So this is also the same. All the details are same here. You can apply with the LinkedIn, first name, last name, mail, and phone, and then location. You have to upload your resume, and if you have the cover letter, then you can also apply that. And the school. So here select your school. If your school is not present, then keep other. So you can also keep other. So the last option other, and you have to mention the school name here. And then degree, discipline, and start year and the end date. So next is a preferred name, pronouns, and you have to profile. If you have the GitHub personal website or portfolio, you can mention it here. If you don't have, no problem. LinkedIn profile, you can mention it here. And if you want if you want to receive the messages from the WhatsApp from the Stripe company, so you can select here S. And if you have already been the employed at the by Stripe or Stripe affiliate, so if yes, keep yes, if not, keep no. And you should also tell about you and how you are fit for this role at the Stripe company. And if you have any experience, also mention it here. And the next, internship information. So this is so it will be hosted from the 8 to 10 weeks of the internship in the year 2025. So you should be 2026 graduate, and this internship will be provided in the year 2025. So some dates are also given here. So May to July, the 8 weeks, May to July 10 weeks, June to August 8 weeks, June to August 10 weeks, and none of this option. So if you keep none of this option, then mention here in which month you are available. So if not, you are select here. If you it's better to select all of them. And then location and the work authorization, if you are currently eligible, and keep this as or no. And the visa sponsorship, and click on submit application. So this is about the two internships. I'll provide these two links in the description. Go now and apply for that. So they didn't mention the last date, so the applications will be closed very early. So go and apply now. And if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel.